the autologous is right now is a dominant, but it's very quickly moving to allogeneic. Of course, the supply chain will change with that as we move from building one-to-one or patient A to patient A supply chain to one-to-many supply chain. I think that we need to think about the right level of meeting the storage demands. You know, with COVID and world, I think shifting a little bit from being global to being local, right? So really thinking about future, how that storage requirement is going to look like, and then of course as well the biobanking, right? Where is it needs to be, how long the therapy needs to store, at which time they're taken, and all of that will be important as the industry shifts to allogeneic.